Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Testing with Microsoft VSTS 2010. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Nilesh Vadkar, Director of Optimism Computer Education. Nilesh Vadkar has 12 years of QC experience in software testing. He is an expert in manual and automation testing and preparing test plans and test reports. His functional experience includes web engineering and insurance domain. Nilesh has 6 years experience in training on functional testing, smoke testing, component testing, integration testing, and regression testing. As a corporate trainer in software testing, Nilesh has delivered induction batches, QTP and VSTS sessions for Capgemini, Accenture, Cognizant, Deloitte, Oracle, Omnitech, and many more, as well as conducted public training programs. He has ISTQB CSTE and IBM RFT certifications to his credit. Mr. Vadkar has trained more than 10,000 students in his career and has delivered 12 sessions on Microsoft testing tool MTM VSTP. He has worked with Geometric Ethos Origin as a test lead and is currently the Director of Optimism Computer Education. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker, Mr. Nilesh Vadkar. Over to you, Mr. Vadkar.
Okay. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. So good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to software testing. Software testing using VSTS, Visual Studio Team System 2010.
Nilesh, I cannot see your screen.
So let's start with our session. It's visible, na?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Yes. Okay, so hello everybody, and we'll start with the webinar. Okay, so what is our agenda? So today's agenda is
Hello.
Yes, 1 minute. So Visual Studio Test Professional 2010 using a tool that is MTM, Microsoft Test Management Tool. So in this case, we are going to study the test case management, how to prepare a test case, to write a test cases in MTM, record and playback, then the migration between Excel sheet and TFS, Team Foundation Server, difference between HPQC and MTM. So these are the topics that today we are going to discuss. So now let's start with an architecture of Visual Studio 2010. If you see, that is a Team Foundation Server